Hi everybody and welcome back, hope you're all good. It's thanks to Rob Forrest once again for providing the footage for this one that sees us heading to Middlehills Farm, located near Matlock on the southeastern edge of the Peak District National Park. Our coverage starts on the A6 Derby Road heading northwest towards Cromford. If you'd arrive via the M1, you'd take junction 28 onto the A38, then onto the A610, joining the A6 at Ambergate. Okay, here's our first turning coming up. It's onto the A5012, and there it's signposted Cromford Village and later Newhaven. Once you've made the turn, you'll very shortly be turning right again to continue on that A5012. From this point, you're about 4.5 miles from the site. Okay, you're on the road on which the site is located now, so there's no more turnings to make. Worth noting along this stretch of the road as you leave the village though, there is some on-street parking and it does get narrow in a couple of places. Other than that, it's all good. Right, 4.1 miles after that last turn and you'll pass this crossroads. That's a holly bush in there on the right hand side. You're just 400 yards from the site entrance now, which will be on the left. And here's the entrance to the farm between the two low dry stone walls there. And here we are, reception is ahead and to the left as indicated by the upcoming sign. Worth pointing out that they have holiday cottages to rent here too, a bow-top caravan and a luxury camping pod. Thanks again to Rob for providing the footage, and thank you to you too for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers for now.